So one of the best ways to figure out what niche to get involved in or what to make a video about is to simply go to YouTube and type in anything. Okay, so you open up an incognito tab. This way your search history is basically not affecting your searches. And you type how to, you see right away, tie a tie. So you know that of all the searches of people searching how to do things, tie a tie is the main number one. How to draw, how to make slime, how to make a paper airplane, how to crochet for beginners, how to beat, like beatboxing. But now we could go a little deeper and say how to A. So you say how to animate, how to apply false eyelashes, how to, you do a B. Okay, beat, braid your own hair. Okay, C, crotches for beginners, curl your hair. So these are all, you basically know that people are searching for these terms. Now let's type a regular A. Wow, look at that. ASMR, you know, is very, very popular. Over there you see an artist, ABC song. Again, let's do B. Baby Shark. Wow, you see? So this basically, Billie Eilish, it basically gives you a feel for what's popular and especially what's trending. Now there's other apps that you could use like SEMrush or vidIQ. These things are, you pay for them and you get a more in-depth look. But a perfect place to start is what I'm doing now. You see C, Coco Melon, CNN, Cardi B, country music. D, Drake. E, Eminem. Let's continue. F, Fox News. Fortnite, of course, Fortnite is up there. Funny videos. So you see right there, you know that of all the things that you could write with an F, funny videos or free movies or first are basically coming up as the first searches. So right away, you know that these are popular categories. Let's continue. G. Game theory, Godzilla. H, happy birthday song, Hindi song. I, Ice Spice. J. So over here, like, you can look at terms like Jojo Siwa. I have no idea what that is, but I am curious now because of all the things that could come up with the J, that's coming up first. Now you can do more in-depth things like writing, is it true that pain is beauty? The sun will explode in 2025. People are searching for that. Now you could like write, how do I know if he really loves me? That my phone is hacked or tapped, that I have ADHD. So people basically, you know that one of the main concerns that people have is whether their phone is being hacked, whether they have ADHD. Whether they're a narcissist. So besides giving you good data for the internet, this is giving you tremendous insight into actual human consciousness. It's giving you very deep insight into the human condition of living. Just by doing this, you're gaining tremendous knowledge. You could write like in a question way, like, what is love? I think that's a song. What is a woman? Very interesting. That's a real problem these days. What is a woman? Okay, what is, and then you start with the A. A. Let's start B. What is Bitcoin? What is Bitcoin mining? What is bipolar disorder? Let's go to C. What is cryptocurrency? So right there, look at that. Of all the ABC, B, what is Bitcoin comes up, and C, what is cryptocurrency, and number 2 is cybersecurity. Number 3 is communism. But and what is copywriting? What is coding? This gives you, besides starting a specific strategy, you basically get a feel for the internet. You understand what people are searching for. And when you strategize to start a channel, start a niche, to start anything online, you basically have a healthy idea what people are looking for. What is ChatGPT? Let's go to D. D, what is drop shipping? Again, what is digital marketing? What is day trading? Perfect. You see, these things are very, very popular. Let's go to E. What is e-commerce? We'll skip that one. What is electricity? What is energy? What is Earth Day? F. What is Forex trading? So again, E, we go to E. What is e-commerce? What is F? What is Forex trading? Which are 2 basically ways to make money online. So you're seeing a bigger picture here, right? What is Fortnite? Pretty far down. What is fascism? That is actually the second search that comes up with the F, unfortunately. That's an issue these days. G. What is gaslighting? What is graphic design? What is hamster combat? And by the way, if you know what hamster combat is, it's basically a channel on YouTube that has 32, let's see how many, look at this, 35 million subscribers to Hamster Combat. Now you might have never heard of Hamster Combat, but if you do, what I'm telling you to do is to go through all the alphabet, basically using this method. You basically are going to bump into things that, in this case, Hamster Combat has 35 million subscribers. Don't you think you should be aware about what it is exactly? I'll tell you right now, it's some type of crypto game. But you basically are seeing the bigger picture here. Let's continue with our search. What is, okay, we got up to A, B, C, D, E, F, G. H. What is hell devil? Hip. What is heaven like? Oh, you see, people are actually, what is hell like? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, I. What is Islam? What is inflation? H, I, J. What is JavaScript? Now, so I heard of JavaScript, but if you never heard of it, Google it, because it's very important, because it's the second search that comes up when searching with J. What is a keto diet? Okay. Kimchi. What is ketosis? What is karma? Okay, keeping going. Okay, so you see over here, what is... Over here, you see what is NVIDIA comes up. What is NDA? What is an NFT? What is NVIDIA? So if you click on that, boom. If I was you, I would do a little research in NVIDIA if you never heard of NVIDIA. This Plex Media Service. Look it up. It might be, unfortunately, people are suffering from PTSD. Quantum physics. I'm happy to know people are searching for quantum physics. People are curious. Quantum computing. Very, very important subject. And it's, by the way, there's a lot of opportunities to make movies on the quantum computing as well. Not a lot of explanations out there. Let's keep on going.